Hey guys, welcome to another video of the Millennial Guru. In this video, we are going to learn the difference between formal sentences and informal sentences. A lot of times students get confused and often they are not able to understand the difference between written communication and spoken communication. This guy is going to give you sentences which are used in written communication, and the sentences that I am going to give you are the sentences that you will use when you are actually speaking. So here we are going to look at the difference between formal and informal communication. I'll pick you up at the airport. You'll be collected at the airport at 7 p.m. How about we meet up on Friday? The next available appointment is on Monday. Why don't you come over to my house tomorrow? I would like to invite you to visit my house tomorrow. It would be great if you came in June. I highly recommend that you come in June. Get back to me as soon as you can. Please respond at your earliest convenience. Sorry man, I won't be able to make it on Friday. Unfortunately, I will not be able to attend the function on Friday. You are in charge of the kids. You will be responsible for the children. Did you do all of this for your own personal enjoyment? Was self-gratification the motive behind doing all this? You know, he can swim. He is capable of swimming. He knows swimming. I look up to you. I respect you. Hey, I love you. I adore you. Hey, she looks like Alia Bhatt, na? Don't you think her face resembles Alia Bhatt's? Call me at once. Get in contact with me immediately. I'll need some time to think about your offer. I shall require some time to reflect over your proposal. I can't put up with your lame excuses and poor work. I cannot tolerate your pretenses and incompetence. I want to thank you for your support. I am grateful for your cooperation. She was upset with how you acted last night. She was quite displeased with your behavior at last night's family dinner. Go after your goals in life. Pursue your ambitions and fulfill your aspirations. A lot of people complain about our product. We have received numerous complaints from our consumers. You know what? After his father's death, he became serious about his life. Post his father's untimely demise, he turned over a new leaf. His ex has been calling him again and again. His ex-girlfriend has been trying to contact him repeatedly. Be careful, he may take advantage of you. Beware, for he could manipulate and exploit you. Because of the lack of energy, she fainted in the assembly. Due to the deficiency of energy, she fell unconscious during the school assembly. I see that you have a chance here. I perceive that you may have a window of opportunity here. Guess what? She's happy to meet you. It gives me so much pleasure to inform you that she was very much pleased to have met you. You are fired at this very moment. We have decided to terminate your employment with immediate effect. Your work of last month was okay. It was alright. Your last month's performance was acceptable. She was brave in the face of danger. She demonstrated a lot of courage in the time of peril. If you like this video, please remember to share it and subscribe it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please keep commenting, please keep sharing this video, and please keep sharing your feedback in the comment boxes below.